యశు పెట్టేసినా
Okay, this is not a turtle.
టోటల్
Okay, this is not a tortoise. What is the difference between tortoise and turtle?
Tortoise is a water animal.
Okay, I will tell you. Land animal. They cannot swim inside the water. They cannot
Land
swim inside
animal.
water. Okay. If you put inside the, if you see the tortoise somewhere outside, if you put inside the water, they will sink and die. Tortoise. Yes. Turtle, most of the time they live inside the water. Sometimes when they come outside, they lay the egg, they go back to water only because they have a free purse. They can't walk on land. Wings like a free purse. Okay, this is called terrapin. Terrapin. This guy, you can all observe his feet. This feet called webbed feet. They can swim inside the water also, they can walk on land also. That's why they have a webbed feet. Okay. Now, terrapin come to different species, but this species is called red-eared slider because they have a red line on their face. That is why they called red-eared sliders. Okay. And now I am touching this shell. Do you think they can feel the touch? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, any tortoise, turtle, terrapin, if you go touch like this, they can feel the touch. Okay, if you press the animal, if you knock the animal, they can feel the pain also. Because this shell, part of their body, the all nerve ends attach their shell. That is why they can feel the touch, they can feel the pain also. Okay, but yeah, and one more question. Do you think how many teeth they have? Four. Any other guess? 15. Any other guess?
20
No teeth?
టీత్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి
Okay, no teeth is the right answer. Any tortoise, turtle, terrapin, they don't have teeth. Something called beak. Birds have a beak, right? Like this guy also have beak. Okay, like beak structure. If you see the smiley like on their face, right? That's a beak. Okay. Now I'll come closer. You can gently touch the terrapin. Do not knock. Do not press the animal. Okay. Gently you can touch the terrapin. Yeah. You only first come. Done.
డన్ డన్
గణవి గణవి నో ఏ దమ్మిడితో
Then you guys are done. Terrapin, come gather up there.
కేతన్ టచ్ ఇది కేతన్ కేతన్
ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ
నీ చెయ్యి నీ చెయ్యి
అది ఆడు
అయ్యో నీ చెయ్యి
నీ నుంచి చూడు మూతి పెట్టద్దు
Okay, guys, Bambadi Bam Bam. Okay, here we have a goat. And from Africa, pygmy means small or short. This is the maximum growth. Okay. Now we can all walk inside. Now we can touch the goat. All goats are very friendly, but inside do not lift any goat. Please don't lift any goat. Okay. And can you tell me what is the difference between goat and sheep? Sheep says bull. Yes. Any other difference? Okay, sheep have lot of fur in their body. When you trim it, that time only you called wool. Okay, and all sheep like to eat on the ground level grass. That is why sheep called grazers. But goats, they stand on their hind legs. They eat branches, leaves, and flowers. That is why these goats are called browsers. Okay, all goats are very friendly. Now we can all start walking inside and do not lift any goats. Okay, please don't lift any goats.